You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Phrase pronunciation. The acronym is pronounced as FBI. It's not FB. For the full form, the full name, the meaning of FBI: federal, or you can skip the syllable, Federal Bureau, not bureau, not bureau, Bureau of Investigation. FBI pronunciation, Federal Bureau of Investigation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.